What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy KSM Kusama coins on Coinbase. As you can see, I am already logged into my Coinbase account, and after that we will click on the buy and sell option on the right top corner. Click on that and now the purchasing overview will be opened. As you can see, the one-time purchase is selected. That is a buying frequency. So if you would like to change this to different frequencies, just click on it. After that, you can select the right one for you. Head back out and fill in the amount of cash you would like to use. Let's say 100 euros. And now we can select the coin we would like to buy. That is the Kusama coin. So tick in Kusama and there it is. Select the coin. Now we have selected the Kusama token, and after that we can select our payment method. I'm using my MasterCard, as you can see, but if you would like to change that to a different payment method or you would like to add one, just click on it. And as you can see, there are different payment methods available on my account. If you would like to add a payment method because you don't have any payment methods available yet, then just check if your Coinbase account is verified. That is one important thing to do before you can add a payment method in Coinbase. After that, you can click on add a payment method and just add the payment method you would like to use for this purchasing. Now, if you have selected the payment method, click on review order. And as you can see, they are showing some information about the purchase we are going to make. I'm buying 100 euros of the Kusama token, and as you can see, I don't pay any Coinbase fees. That is one good choice to start a Coinbase One account, a subscription, to get lost of those fees. Because if you buy on a regular basis a lot of crypto, then you can benefit of these Coinbase fees deleted out of your account. After that, you can select a invest weekly option. If you would like to buy these coins with the same amount of 100 euros on a weekly base, just select it and you can cancel it at any time. After that, you can click on buy now and the coins will be added to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys. Bye bye.